Bhumika, whenever you want to start, just let me know so that I can move on the slides. Okay.
Yeah, okay. We'll be waiting for 1 more minute, then we will start. Hi, Prashant.
Bhumika, I think so. We should start now.
Yeah, okay. So, very good evening, everyone. Welcome to Flutter Festival's Info Session 2022. I am Bhumika Sahu, your Flutter facilitator for this year. Moving forward. Okay, meanwhile, you can see this mascot. His name is Des. So basically, a mascot is a symbol or a thing that is supposed to be bring good luck, especially one linked to a particular organization or event. So, why anyone can guess what is the name of this bird? If if anyone knows. Okay, no problem. So it is a hummingbird, and why hummingbird is considered for flutter symbol, because it considered for his speed and fastness. That's why it is considered for flutter is also similar like this. Next, okay, so the agenda of this session. So Rekha, please stand. Yes. Okay. We will be discuss about what is Flutter Festival, what is Flutter, what is the features of Flutter, and what task you have to complete for participation, and perks and goodies, and what session we will conduct it during this campaign, and also talk about Google Solution Challenge and Q&A. Next, moving ahead. What is Flutter Festivals? Flutter Festivals is a community led event series where developers like you can join to learn and the fundamentals of Google technologies, like featuring Flutter, Firebase, and Google Cloud content. And we have time to complete this campaign till 30th of March. And here you will learn about Flutter, Firebase, and Google Cloud. And most of you have already participated in 30 days of Google Cloud, so might you have some knowledge of it. Now, what is Flutter? Flutter is a Google's portable UI toolkit for building beautiful multi-platform applications. What is multi-platform or cross applications? Platform applications development is about building a single application that can run on various operating systems. Like you can run your single code base on your Android, your iOS, and for websites and desktop applications. Like this is single code base, and you can run on any type of platform instead of developing different app versions for each platform. लाइक पहले क्या होता था, अगर किसी को एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन चाहिए तो उसे एंड्रॉयड एंड्रॉयड डेवलपर हायर करना होगा, iOS एप्लीकेशन चाहिए तो iOS ऐप डेवलपर हायर करना होगा। तो इससे क्या होता था, हमारा जो एप्लीकेशन का कॉस्ट है वो भी बढ़ जाता था। तो उसी के सॉल्यूशन के लिए हमारे पास आया फ्लटर, एंड फ्लटर इज अ क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट टूल. You can create single code base and you can run it on various platform. Next is building Flutter built beautiful apps for every platform. Sorika, please. No, please, previous slide. One more. Yeah. Okay. Build beautiful apps for every platform. Like Flutter is fast than Android native apps, React native apps, and also productive much than these tools. And yeah, we have also like in basically in productive, like we have hot reloads. Hot reloads means you can dynamically watch you how your product has been deployed while you creating it. So it gives you productivity, and you can also create beautiful uis, because here is all features are available for creating beautiful uis. And yeah, it is open source, you can contribute. Yeah, and documentation and everything is free, you can just download and you can use it. Next, Flutter's fundamental plus. So these five are fast, productive, beautiful, open, and portable. These five are Flutter fundamentals plus, which is using these Flutter features. Flutter can be used all over the devices, and it growing at very fast pace. Moving ahead, next up, we'll see for how many devices will Flutter support. So here we have iOS. iOS is of Apple and Android. We all have used Android, and Bev, like websites. Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and we can also use an embedded system. So here we have single code base, means it uses only one programming language, and you can write single code and you can run it any devices. And yeah, one more thing, Flutter is a framework of Dart programming language. You might have listened about JavaScript framework. Like JavaScript has some frameworks like React, Angular, Vue. Similarly, Flutter is also a framework of Dart, which is written in Dart language. So for Flutter you should know like basics of Dart language, so we will learn next. Yeah, so today there are more than 2 million Flutter applications are available on Google Play store created by developers around the world, all of size. In addition to those building application, companies like Microsoft, Square, and this Grape, these are also contributing to the Flutter ecosystem to broaden Flutter's support across devices. And yeah, Flutter at Google. Flutter is used by many Google teams too, like Google Pay, Google One, and Nest Hub, Blogger. These all applications are also developing in Flutter and using Flutter. And global community support to here is a big community of Flutter, like 110K GitHub stars, GitHub repository, and 15K plus packages of Flutter, and 1000 contributors are have contributed in this repository, and 120K Twitter followers, 200 global meetup groups, and yeah, it is always a open source, so you can also contribute in it. Next is build where you want to be. Yeah, so here is some resource third party plugins you can use for Flutter app development. You might be familiar with Android Studio if you have participated in Android Studio Jam. So, and VS Code, mostly students are using this. And Xcode is also similar like VS Code, but it is for Mac OS, I think so. Or and Firebase, Android APIs, iOS APIs, and Material Design and Redux. These all are third party plugins. We it will be like it will support for Flutter application development. Next is design for the future. Flutter is the first UI platform that is designed for an ambient computing world. According to Glassdoor, Flutter developers earn average base salary of $79,000 annually. But if you are expert, you can. First, you have to expert in it for uh, your future expect. So if you are expert in it, you can also earn. Now, so what is a task we have to complete for participating in this campaign? First, we have to complete Google Cloud Skill Boost. Here is we have 4 quests. And second is beginner Flutter journey and contribution dev library. So we will discuss about it first. Okay. So, in your first task, you have to complete Google Cloud Skill Boost. Here they give you 4 quests. You have to complete these labs. Surekha, can you stop your screen sharing? I will be share. Thank you. My screen is visible.
Yes, Bhumi.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so first you have to complete these 4 quests. So first, if I will share these slides with you for your reference. Just I click on it, it will redirect you our Google Cloud Boost account. It is similar like Quick Labs. You have to, if you haven't account, you have to sign join it, and you will see all labs here. And it is very basics of so Dart essentials. And if you read each and every line, it will be very easy to learn Dart language. Okay, first you have to complete these quests, and step by step if you complete, so it will be easy for you. And how to get credentials, just click on this tutorial. And here you can I will share this link for your reference. Just if you click on yeah, if you click on join, if haven't any account of this, just click on join. I have already, then I will click on sign in. Just give my ID and password. If you have if you will sign in, you will get 20 credits here, 29, 21. I don't know, like you get some credits, and you can start using these credits any lab. Then if you complete a lab, you will get your monthly subscription, and your monthly subscription will be like um, you avail before 1st of May. So, but the duration of this campaign is 30th of March. So you have to complete these labs before 30th of March. Next one is Flutter learning journey. So this is mandatory. Beginner level is mandatory. You have to complete these 2 code labs, which is if you click here, you will go redirected to here. It is similar like if you have participated in Android study jams, it is also similar like it. Here everything is um, available. You can go through it and learn easily. We will also take some workshops during the campaign after it. So, and second is if you are if you have knowledge of beginner level, you can go through intermediate level. It is optional, but if you want to learn, you can go with it. Here you will learn about elements, keys, and widgets, future and streams, and many more things are available. And similar expert, it is also optional, but you want to do, you can. So this is next, Google developers profile. You have to create your Google developers profile. Just click on it, and you will redirect it to developers.google.com. And here you have to create your profile. Just click on view dashboard. If you haven't, just click on icon and um, signed up by your email, and click on my profile. You can see your all badges here, what you have earned during this you will earn during this campaign. And you have to like um, you have to do your this profile is public, because of it we can navigate through your profile. So if your profile is private, you can click change settings. And and here two options, private and public. Just click on private, then save it. This is your Google developers profile. Next is okay, contribution to dev library. If you have knowledge, and if you will be created any app, or you have created any content blog, you can contribute to dev library. So what is dev library? It is this platform is given by Google, and just click on submit what you have created. You can submit your applications or your blogs here, and here click on submission form. You will just give me a minute. You will yeah, you can put your details here, and just what you have. If you have a project, you can give your GitHub repository link, and if you write a blog, you can also post it here. And just one more thing, uh, here you have to choose Flutter, because this is considered in a Flutter festival. That's why you have to choose Flutter only here. Then click on next step. Just what if you have a project, you can give your project repository link and project name, and all details of your project and comments, and click on next, and we'll submit it. So this thing at the end of like before 1st of March, you can, sorry, 30th of March, you can contribute your projects or blogs here. So अगर यहाँ पर ये इफ़ यू लाइक अगर यहाँ पर कंट्रीब्यूशन करोगे तो वहाँ से वो लोग ही सिलेक्ट करेंगे, एंड यू विल बी एलिजिबल फॉर योर स्वैग्स एंड प्राइजेस. And timeline till 30th March. Next is content evaluation. So I have mentioned earlier everything, like you can post your blog post and GitHub repositories, and yeah, your content should be like fresh and unique. It like कुछ भी कॉपी वरना वो हटा देते हैं. So your content should be unique and creative. Next is perks. So if you completed these steps, these steps, complete your quests and code labs, so you will be eligible for certificate, which we will be provided you. And badges, yeah, if you complete your quest, you will get your badges on Google Cloud Boost account. And also here you should learn, you will got to learn Flutter framework. And yeah, all content is free. You can use uh, for 1 month. You can use wisely. And yeah, we will conducted some more sessions like basics of programming and Flutter, Firebase app development tutorial, if I will be available for it. And okay, yeah. So GDSC solution challenge. So it is just like a annual challenge, or just like a hackathon. So it is conducted by GDSC. If you have any project or anything, you can submit here. You can participate in it, individual or with team, as you want. Just click on solution challenge, and you can register from here. Here they will give you a form. You can give your details, and you can participate in it if you want. Yeah, so timeline of it is also before 30th of March, so you can go according to it. Next, thank you, and any doubts you can ask. You can write your doubts in chat box. I will be share this presentation with you for your reference, so don't worry.
Okay, so one more announcement from the Google developers group, and it's about that the new forms for being GDSC leads are open now, and I will be sharing with you all the link in our groups. So the interested one can fill the form and can will be able to get so yeah.
Nice
Do
opportunity.
Bhumika, do you want to add something?
I think I have done everything. If someone has doubt, can ask, and I will clear.
To go and okay, so we are having one theory. What
I,
was the total duration for this campaign? So it's basically of for 1 month, I guess. Yes, Bhumika.
yes, till 30th of March.
We are having a one 2 3 days left. Otherwise, we are having a proper 1 month
Yeah.
for this Flutter festival. Okay, so I think so. There are no more related to this, and as you said, you will be sharing the link of the slide, so it will be more helpful for everyone. And the ones who have not like no, will are not able to join the session, they will also get reference through it. So yeah, I think so we are good to go, and thank you all for joining this session. Thank you, Bhumika. Thank you, Devanshu.
Thank you all. I will share link in our WhatsApp group.
Yeah, yeah, that will work fine, I think so.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so have a good day.
Okay. Thank you.